So, hello everyone, welcome to ECLE. ECLE means everybody can learn English, you can learn English, and this is a very special episode for us. Pooja is with me, and today we are gonna discuss about the topic. Topic is that very common, but I consider that it is very important for us. Pooja, would you like to give your opinion about success?
Yes, I am ready to give
Okay,
answer.
so firstly, question comes in our mind that what is the success?
I think that success means to have a big achievement, accomplishment, value, respect in your society, in my opinion. But some people thought that success to have a different goal, then no one can do it. That is called as success. We know that different kinds of people have a different things about the success. They know that success means to have a much money, to get earn money. Some people say that success means make a respect in society. That is called a success. So in these all kinds of things people have, that means they think that success means to get a goal.
Okay, do you think that does success keep happy?
Of course, I think that success always keep happy life. Because if you will not be success, then you will never feel happy. You always live unhappy life. So if you will live an unhappy life, then your mind will not be work properly. Why? Because you are sad and you have a much irritation about the work. So I think that yes, all success always keep happy life for everyone's life.
Okay, why is success important for us? I can change this question, that is success important for us?
Of course, I think that success is very important part of a human life. Without success, you cannot go towards ahead. Why? Because suppose you are doing any work, but if you will not be success, then you will not do work. Why? You will think that I am not go ahead, so why will I do work? So that is why success is very necessary part of a human life. I think that if you are doing any suppose any student is doing a preparation competition exam like UPSC, SSC, these all things, but if he will not do hard work, then he will not be success. So I think that success always very important for a human life.
Okay, what part of success important for us?
In my opinion, hard work is very important part of a success.
Okay.
Some people think that money is an important part of a success. But according to my opinion, hard work is necessary part of a success.
Okay.
If you will not do hard work, then you never go ahead.
Okay.
How will you go ahead? You cannot go ahead. Why? Because you are not doing hard work. Same example, you are suppose you are preparing any competition exam. You want to be a IAS, IPS. But if you will not do hard work, so can you be success? No,
Okay.
you
Yes.
cannot go You cannot success. Why? Because you are not doing hard work. If you will do hard work, then never can stop to you, and you will be a IAS officer.
Okay, is success journey or destination according to your opinion?
I think that success is a journey, not a destination. First of all, you must understand what is the meaning of journey and destination. Destination means only you will think that only I have to get this job, like SSC.
Okay.
I want to be a IAS officer. That is a destination.
Okay.
But if you will do more work, and you will think that no, I will have to do another work. That is a journey. Journey means you will have to live a long life. You will have to do work in a long life up to when you can do. So I think that success is a journey, and I always consider that success is a journey, not a destination.
Okay, do you think that success brings us the arrogancy and be stopped to learning? Do you think that? Because we have seen that after achieving the success, we go in the comfort zone. So do you think that it bring the arrogancy and we go the comfort zone in this after the getting success?
You are saying right, but I don't consider that all people are arrogant while doing while getting a success. Some people are arrogant while getting a success, I consider, but everyone is a arrogant person. I know some people have a arrogant while doing any work. They are if they will be a successful man, then they have a arrogant that
Okay.
oh, I have a job, you are not nothing, nothing between me. So I consider that some people have are arrogant, but those people are good. They have a good behavior. They think that the another people.
Okay.
So they have not a arrogant and they have not a arrogancy.
Okay, what would you like to say about the failure? Because many people trying to get success, like they think that I have to achieve my goal, I have to be successful person. But sometimes we get failure, okay, and we have to face the failure in our life. So what would you like to say about this?
I would like to say the people that we know that success is opposite of failure.
Okay.
We consider that, but if you will not do hard work, then never can be success. And you never thought that I will be a success man. I will be a successful man. No. Why? Because you are not doing work. You are doing bulb pickerness. You are a bulb picker. Then how can be a success? You cannot be a successful.
Okay. So
why? Because
okay, don't you think that you are saying that you are doing wall picker, but those persons are doing the hard work, okay, they are trying, they are getting the fail. So don't you think that failure is the step of success? Suppose you are doing something work, you are doing the making the video, okay, and sometimes views doesn't come, okay, and so we try to experiment new things. Don't you think that you are saying the bulb picker? It is the wrong thing instead.
no, I am not saying that all people. Some people are. I cannot say that every people are bulb picker, but some people are bulb picker. If you are giving an example and that I am making a video, anyone is making a video and they are doing hard work, but they are not getting success. So I think that you will have to think new thing, that what will I have to implement in this video. Why am I not getting success? Why am I not getting viewer? So you will have to think and then implement this thing.
Okay.
Then you will not be.
Okay, those person couldn't get the success, okay, of their field. Like somebody wants to crack exam of any government exam and other, they couldn't. Somebody fail in the business. So what would you like to say? Are they bulb picker or just they are not able to getting success?
I already said that they are not doing hard work. That is why they are not getting success. If likewise business, any work, any making a video, any crack the exam, it's all depend on hard work. And second thing is that patience. If you will do hard work, after you will not getting a success, then you will have to keep patience. Okay, don't think that one time I will fail, then we will have to do hard work more than ego.
Okay.
Then I will be success.
Okay, what is the role of smart work for getting the success according to your opinion?
Smart work means you will have to do different to the another people. That is a smart work. We consider that I am doing hard work, you are doing hard work, but you will have to do another thing, advanced thing to this person. That is means a smart work. I think that in my opinion, but I have no idea about smart work.
Okay.
So I think that is a smart work.
Okay, so how is this discussions? Please tell me in comment box. And if you are liking this video, so please hit the like button. And if you are new to this channel, so you can subscribe it, as well as you have to share your thoughts, your opinion on the comment box, so that we could read the comments together. And I hope this discussions will be helpful for you speaking English as well as in your life. So thank you very much. Thanks for watching. Let's meet another video.
Thank you.